Hi guys, I'm Rauna. After Roman Reigns' historic 1300 and 116-day reign as the undisputed WWE Universal Champion came to an end at WrestleMania 40 pay-per-view in April, WWE fans thought that the bloodline would soon come tumbling down. However, while the original iteration of the faction is seemingly a long gone, the group's longtime enforcer Solo Sikoa has now declared himself as the new tribal chief. As the self-declared head of the table, Solo Sikoa has added the vicious Tama Tonga Loa and also the recently debuted Jacob Fatu to the group. The bloodline once again going unchecked. WWE fans are yearning for a returning Roman Reigns to take down his faction, and his cousin has since hijacked. In order to take on the new look, the version of the bloodline, Roman Reigns surely have to enlist help from the others. So in this video, I'll mention 3 WWE superstars who may join forces with Roman Reigns in what could be a potential bloodline civil war. So let's get started without wasting any time. While he tried to leave the bloodline and Roman Reigns at one point, Jimmy Uso has always seemed to be a loyal follower of the real head of the table. Alongside his brother Jimmy Uso was part of the original lineup of the bloodline, which saw the three family members dominate the WWE for almost 3 years. Since Jey Uso left the faction last year, the group started to waver, with Jimmy Uso seemingly staying in the group out of the fear rather than loyalty. However, also, Solo Sikoa Tama Tonga kicked Jimmy Uso out of the group on the SmackDown after WrestleMania 40 pay-per-view. He and Roman Reigns now seem to have a common goal and enemy once again. One person who wants to reunite with Jimmy Uso is Jey Uso, who recently pleaded on this episode of WWE Raw brand for his brother to leave SmackDown brand and join him on the Red brand. As well as Jimmy Uso, Jey Uso took his career to a new heights as part of the bloodline. Before his "Eat" catchphrase took over WWE, Uso was working as a right-hand man next to Roman Reigns on the Blue brand, which saw him earn the title on the main event Jey Uso. Despite being a part of Monday Night Raw at the moment, given how his brother was assaulted by Solo Sikoa and Tama Tonga, Jey Uso may have to jump over SmackDown brand to stop the new look bloodline before it gets out of hand. While he left the bloodline in dramatic circumstances last year, family trumps all hatred. During a recent interview with the Daily Mail, Jey Uso was asked if he would consider rejoining forces with Roman Reigns and Jimmy Uso in order to take down Solo Sikoa and the rest of the bloodline. An unlikely but arguably fan favorite of the bloodline in recent years was undoubtedly the honorary US Sami Zayn. Originally hated by many members of the family, Sami Zayn earned the trust of the Usos and Roman Reigns over time to become a full-fledged part of the group. Despite being kicked out and having a rivalry with Roman Reigns, Sami Zayn's friendship with Jey Uso continues to this day, with the two stars arguably being the biggest babyfaces on the Monday Night Raw today. In what was a huge part of his WWE career, Sami Zayn was on the Out of the Character podcast discussing how it was teaming with Roman Reigns and the Usos as a part of the bloodline. With the new look version of the bloodline now boasting 4 members, Roman Reigns will certainly need to have an equal number of people on his side if he is to tear down the faction that he originally stated. So guys, what's your opinion regarding this video? Do you wanna see these 3 superstars who could join Roman Reigns in the formation of the Bloodline 2.0? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, then leave a like, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell. I'll be back with a new interesting video. Thanks for watching this one. Check out my other videos. See you.